asked you where we're going?
Where are we going?
Let's try that again.
Where are we going?
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 I'm just going to see my girl. New York City!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to LaGuardia. Local time is 9:30. We hope you've had a pleasant flight. I look forward to seeing you again soon.
Why?
They're just so excited. Now I can't believe that we're here.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm listening to Bartek Hardy and we in the Bronx, bitch. We are in New York. Alright guys, the Seesters are in New York City. We are currently on our way. Whoa, my hat's gonna blow away. Whew. No one told me it was windy. We're heading somewhere that rhymes with eat and tally. Italy, maybe? So a lot of you have been asking, why are we in New York? And the truth is, we're here for the Wendy Williams show. No. One day, maybe.
A few moments later.
We're passing Wendy again. She made us go the wrong way. And we're in heels. My feet already hurt. We've been here for 15 minutes.
I've been hearing that all day. She's really rude to me sometimes. But hey Wendy, we're here for you, girl. Next time. Okay everybody, so now that we're finally going in the right direction, we have a very exciting day planned with a full itinerary that we created that hopefully we're going to be able to follow if we don't get lost again. But we are on the way and we have got quite a day. So stay tuned. I know we don't usually vlog, but it's going to be a good one. That one, two of those, that one, all of it, all of it. Okay, let's play a game. How much of this pizza can Mell fit in her mouth in one bite? We go here, here, here. Hey! What's up? What's up? The New York subway. I thought Toronto subway was gross, but this was amazingly disgusting, and that's not an insult. You know, I always knew that one day I'd be on Broadway. Video. Okay, sorry. They brought us a goodie bag. Hi guys, Amanda's here too. She's bonneted up. So the rest of our day was kind of a blur. We kind of fell off track of vlogging because we were having so much fun. So cheers to living in the moment. But we definitely took a lot of photos. We're going to share some of those photos with you guys. Where did we go first? Oh, we ate in Italy. We went to Times Square. Took many quite a few, many photos in Times Square. We went to a holiday market. We saw Central Park. We saw a show on Broadway. We walked Fifth Avenue, which was beautiful to see, especially Saks. They had an amazing light show. And then there was the tree. The Rockefeller Center was, well, it lit up my world. And now it is lights out. I am detoxing. I am about to die. And we have to get to bed because we have a... Here it is, guys. The real reason why we're in New York. It's not all pleasure. So tomorrow, we're here to shoot a really exciting new campaign with Aveda. As you guys know, I use Aveda products all the time. They're truly my favorite. And I'm really excited to be working with them on this campaign. So if you guys want to see more, stay tuned. Tomorrow we have a big day. And I'm freaking out. I'm cracking. I need to go wash my face and get to bed. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night, Amanda.
Hello and good morning. Popo, we need to have a coffee. Popo, good morning. Are you feeling ready?
I feel sweet.
You feel sweet?
New York did me dirty. I have to style my hair before it dries. Goodbye. Good morning, everyone. It's the big day. I have a Radiance mask on my face. I'm freshly showered. My hair is drying fast though, and I didn't bring a spray bottle. So here's a quick tip. Take your brush, wet it, and brush your hair, and it will keep it damp. Sometimes you just gotta get crafty. So I'm going to rinse my face and I'm gonna style my hair. I've got 2 hours. So I really want my hair to be defined. I don't want to rush the style, but I also can't take forever. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you guys my routine.
Okay guys, hi, we're back.
I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my routine, and it's not like Toronto weather here in New York. So it's a lot milder. There is a lot of humidity in the air, and my winter routine is not gonna cut it today. So I'm going back to my usual summer routine using my favorite products. So I'm gonna use Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. This is my treatment leave-in, always. Okay, nice, worked through, beautiful. I had a cute travel size of that, but my other products are in little, oh, look who came to say good morning. Oh, hi. Isn't she beautiful? You're gonna have to guess what these ones are. I just put some of my products in some like home containers that I had. This is the Be Curly Curl Enhancer. I always take this stuff on vacation, a good amount. I'm not taking any risks today. I'm adding more water to my hair with the brush and brushing it through, which is gonna really distribute the product everywhere evenly. Now the question is, do I do bangs forward, bangs to the side? How do I style my bangs? How do I style my bangs? Why am I twisting my bangs? Well, I always like the most amount of definition, especially around the face. I can control the bangs and I can even manipulate them where to go. You can see I'm gonna part my hair on this side and I'm twisting them all away from my face on this side. But this is pretty much the natural way of the curl regardless. This is my fast application for volume and definition. So raising everything off of the scalp and finger raking in each direction. Do you guys take time to style your hair on vacation? I guess it would depend on where you're going, right? Are you someone that if you were going to be going to like a city for a weekend, you would just straighten your hair? Would that just be easier for you? Or do you usually wear your hair curly? Before we came to New York, Amanda was debating straightening her hair. She didn't know if she should wear it curly or straight, and it was honestly a debate. And I was saying she should just do it curly because I know if she was straightening it, I would have to style it. However, she did decide to wear her hair curly, and I did do it regardless. Meta, come over here. Tell me how you feel about your curls on vacation. Vacation.
I'm still in my bonnet, but
Still in her bonnet.
I have to say that I'm very happy that I didn't straighten my hair. And this is why. I'll tell you why. Like, sometimes I'll get hair compliments, but never if I'm with Melissa. Okay? Nobody acknowledges my hair when I'm with Melissa because everyone's too strong on her hair. But I have to say, this entire trip, people have been complimenting my hair left, right, and center, and before they even compliment Melissa's.
Okay, well,
Okay?
that's because
A couple people did that. A couple people did that.
They hadn't seen me yet.
No.
Okay,
Some people did it first.
I'll give you your
to me.
moment. It's fine.
And that's never ever happened to me before, ever. I'm very happy that I did my hair this way. I feel like it gave me
I did her hair
Okay,
this way.
yeah, whatever.
So what are you gonna do to refresh a little bit of wonky bits?
I'm just gonna wet them down a little bit and then let them dry. I'm not
Taught you so well.
I just thought I'd say
I have to move on to the next step. My hair's getting dry. So now I'm using my gel and I put it in this little jar. There's hair everywhere. I only use like a quarter size amount of my gel. So I had this. I'm like, I'm gonna put it in there, poured some in, and it's my Confixor gel from Aveda. My hands are too slippery, I can't open it. Hello. Come here. You can come back. I'm sorry. Open this. Thank you. And I very gently, I'm being extra gentle today. And now I'm going to diffuse my hair. Why don't hotels ever have the diffuser attachment? Bastards. Honestly, it's fine. I don't want to use their shitty blow dryers anyways. I could not come to a very important trip to New York without my Dyson. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna flip over. I'm just gonna come back when I'm done, okay? If you are curious to see how I do this, you know I got a video on all of this shit. Now we have to check out, but our day is not done. I'm getting ready for the best part. How do I look? Hair on fleek? See you guys at the shoot. We're here. Oh, we're here. Alright guys, it's my time to shine. Let's go.
That's it. That's good.
Hey everybody, we're in a New York cab. Thank you, sir. We're on our way to the airport. That is a wrap for us. And Amanda made an appearance too. I can't wait for you guys to see it. This experience has always been something that I've dreamed of doing, so it's felt really natural, very exciting, and we get emotional because
I thought I was gonna cry there.
I'm crying now. Now we're gonna stop being sappy. We're on our way to the airport. We might miss our flight, so this vlog may not be ending
Yeah.
just yet.
But if it is,
But if it
we'll
is-
see you next Tuesday.
We'll see you guys next Tuesday. Peace.